In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to format number as currency in Power BI Desktop. If you've brought numbers into a report and you want them to show up with a currency symbol and consistent decimals, this is a quick win that makes your visuals easier to read and your insights more professional. To start, go to the table view in Power BI Desktop. This is the view that lets you look directly at your fields and values. In the data pane, find the table that contains the field you want to format. Click to select that table so its fields are visible. Then click the header of the specific column you want to convert to a currency format. Selecting the column itself is important because the next option applies to whatever field is currently active. When you select the column, you'll notice the ribbon at the top automatically switches to the Column Tools tab. That tab appears only when a column is selected, and it exposes formatting options that affect the data model. Look for the Format drop-down on this tab. Open the drop-down and choose Currency. As soon as you pick Currency, Power BI assigns a currency format to that column. From now on, whenever you use this field in tables, matrices, or cards, it will display as money rather than a plain number, keeping your report consistent without any extra adjustments on individual visuals. That's all it takes. You went to the table view, chose your table, clicked the column header, watched the ribbon jump to Column Tools, and selected Currency from the Format list. Behind the scenes, Power BI applies the appropriate symbol based on your model's regional settings, and it standardizes the numeric presentation so totals and subtotals line up neatly. A couple of quick notes to help you get the most from this. If the currency option looks unavailable, it usually means the field isn't numeric. Only number fields can be formatted as currency. Also, formatting at the column level is a best practice because it travels with the model. So anyone using this field in new visuals will automatically get the currency presentation. With that, your numbers are now displayed as clean, readable currency values across your report. It's a small change that goes a long way in dashboards shared with stakeholders, reducing confusion about units and making comparisons faster. Keep this technique in mind whenever you add new numeric fields to your model. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the clearer, more polished look of your data.